All right, here we go. Silkie chickens, April 2026. Ah, she's perfect. Hi, baby. Welcome to the world. Okay. Pretty little lady. You're first. Congratulations. Silkie number 2. Another perfect little white silkie. Yellow, but perfect.
Blue skin kind of shining back here if you through the short feather fluff.
Oh yeah. Skin as in blue skin. Blue. Alright, what have we here? Oh look! It's another Silkie chicken. Another perfect little lady. Welcome to Silkie Land. You're gonna be a superstar here.
Turning plastic tubs into Silkie Land.
There we go. Oh, you guys are very vocal. And what have we here? Oh, we have another beautiful little girl. Look at that. 4 little beautiful white girls. Peep, peep, peep. Aww. Where am I? You're at P2. Where all cute little silkies go? Wait. Okay, where's my next white silkie sister?
These are hard to grab.
Oh my! It's the gray sheep of the family. Ah, what a pretty little lady.
Look at the black beak.
A lot of black going on here. Where's your white fur? You don't have any.
How many toes you got? Seems to have the right number of toes.
Well, that's
5.
Oh my, look at that.